The Singapore Court of Appeal on Tuesday dismissed a legal challenge filed by Nagaenthran Dharmalingam's mother in a last-ditch effort to set aside her son's conviction and death sentence. The decision seals the fate of the 34-year-old Malaysian, who is scheduled to be executed on Wednesday after the Court of Appeal upheld his death sentence last month. Panchalai Supramaniam filed the legal challenge for her son with the help of friends and activists and was not represented by any lawyer. Earlier during the hearing, Panchalai said via an interpreter saying, "I'm the mother, I made the petition, we want him back alive, we need to get lawyers for this case." She was accompanied by her niece, Demoli Sunia.
It's so difficult for his mother to accept that her son is going to be hanged. Like, that's such an unnatural way to lose someone you love. And so it was really hard on them.
The basis of the legal challenge is that Judge Sundaresh Menon, who presided over and dismissed Nagaenthran's appeals, was earlier the Attorney General who had prosecuted Nagaenthran and secured his conviction. After the court delivered its decision, Nagaenthran and his family reached through a gap in a glass screen to grasp each other's hands tightly as they wept.
I think it's just really devastating. Like, we knew that the chances were quite slim, but it's still really devastating when it happens, and it's really kind of it's just really sad when you see the families in all that grief and pain, and that Nagan actually had to, plead for permission to even be able to touch his family and to hold hands.
Hailing from Perak, Nagaenthran was sentenced to death in 2010 for trafficking 42.72 grams of heroin in 2009 into Singapore, which is known to have among the world's toughest narcotics laws. Nagaenthran's case had drawn international attention. On November 7, 2021, it was reported that Malaysian Prime Minister Datuk Seri Ismail Sabri Yaakob had written to his Singapore counterpart Lee Hsien Loong seeking leniency in this case. Meanwhile, on December 3 last year, Singapore President Halimah Yacob said Nagaenthran had been accorded full due process under the law. Nagaenthran's lawyers claim that he is intellectually disabled. He was supposed to be hanged on November 10, 2021, but found temporary respite on November 9 after the court was told he had tested positive for COVID-19 when he appeared for a last-bid attempt against his death sentence.